Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking. Look, it's going to be smoking. Look, it's going to be swearing. Look, you've been warned. So look. Ha ha. Here come 3, 2, 1. Bang. Welcome, everybody. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. Bang. Welcome. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Bang. The multiverse. Bye! We have a great show for you. Look, today. Oh, yeah, we got some great shit going down around these parts. Oh, we got all sorts of stories. Oh, yeah. Here come the... Why are you so happy, dog? Because here come the big dogs. And I'm going to show you one. Here comes the biggest of the dogs. Biggest of the dogs? Bigger than Fidelity? Bigger than Fidelity. What? Oh, shit, yes. Look, brothers. Here comes our money. Bah! Here come the institutions. And like I said, I'm about to read you about the biggest of the biggest one. I got a light of smoke just to start the daggone show. All right, so we're going to do a little crypto talk first. So R3’s Corda launches an Ethereum-based... So I haven't read this story yet, so I'm not sure what an XDC is, but they're going to launch an Ethereum-based XDC bridge for interoperability. But I do know the gist of the story, and bang! Yeah, Ethereum sucks, really? Well, watch what happens right now, you fuck stick. Look, and then here it comes now. All right, let's get into the big dogs. Let's get into big dog talk. BlackRock. BlackRock. Yeah. Holy shit. Yeah. Remember the CEO in 2018? He said, none of my customers wanted cryptocurrency. Wow. Things have changed a little bit now. BlackRock is like double the size of Fidelity. All right. It is the mega of the mega. It's the biggest. It's the largest wealth manager in the world. So the title says, BlackRock starts to dabble in crypto. So we're going to read about that. That's the biggest in the world, fuckstick. The biggest in the world. But, and then finally, Goldman Sachs, motherfuckers. What? Goldman Sachs? Yes. Look, guys, none of them can resist anymore. It's like the Death Star. It's like the Death Star, right? It's got the tractor beam. Oh, yeah. What is this? We're being sucked in. Yes. Can't resist, fuckers. So look, Goldman Sachs, Bitcoin, and they're talking about investment vehicles. That vehicles, plural, vehicles. Bye. And then we're going to do the shout out and the daily summary as usual. So, all right, you know how we do. Let's get this motherfucker going. Bye. Let's rob this puppy. Let's get her going. Look, bang. Where we at? Yes. We having a daggone Bitcoin around here. Bitcoin, $59,414. All right. Oh, that's small. All right. When I left yesterday, Bitcoin was at $59,005. So we've gone up. What is that? Wait, sorry. We've gone up a whole $409. $409 on the Bitcoin. Yay. You know, Bitcoin doesn't move 1,000 or 2. It doesn't feel like it went anywhere. All right, look. Top 10 of the day, brothers, sisters. Look, miscreants, fucksticks, all y'all. Check it out. Top 10 of the day. Looks like the usual band of suspects from here. Usual band of miscreants. Top 10. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Coin, Tether, Cardano, Polkadot, XRP, Uniswap, Litecoin, and Chainlink. Taking over the number 10. Oh, takes over the number 10 from Theta. Yeah. All right, market moves of the day. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Oh, look at Filecoin rocking. Oh, Filecoin up 114% on the week. Oh, the week just fucking started 2 days ago. Yes. All right, Filecoiners. Filecoin hodlers. All right, single this up, single this down. Single this up, oh, look at you, Tron. I heard about that today. Nice. Look, single this up, single this down. Single this up, single this down. Single this up, single this down. 2. Single digits up. Oh, there's Neo. 2, single digits down. All right. Let's see who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, go get it because it's on sale. What we got? All right. Oh, that hot thing. I was going to do a story on that. I think maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow I got the IOTA one for you guys. I know. So for all you IOTA hodlers, we got to switch out some. We got to swap these coins or something. We got to swap the tokens. I'm going to do a thing on that tomorrow. So don't worry, I got you on that. I'm going to swap out some shit and shit. That's what I mean. That's the kind of crap. Soccer mom and dad and all, they're not putting up with all this crap. Well, we upgraded stuff. Now you got to do all this crap. Well, what if I'm away on vacation? I'm in the Caribbean, but my crypto stuff is all at my house. And what? I'm going to get fucked over because I can't swap and do this and that? All this nonsense. Well, you got to switch over to this wallet now or that wallet or something. All right, guys, enough with my griping. Let's get to the money. Don't worry. That stuff just pisses me off. And I'm sure that's what is stifling us from getting the daggone money we deserve. We don't deserve it, but we need it. We want it. Look, all right, look, fuckstick, settle down. Top 10 of the day. Sorry, top 10 losers of the day. Holo, Kusama, Pancake Swap, Dent, Hedera Hashgraph, Harmony, Near Protocol, BTMX, Theta, and Stacks. Let's see who made money today. Bang! Top 10 gainers. Oh, these are some nice gains. Oh, no. Look at you, Tron. Look, top 10 gainers. Fucking shit. All right, top 10 gainers. Tron, Filecoin, Qtum, ThorChain, OMG Network, Neo, Ontology, UMA, Helium, and Siacoin. Let's see what the total market cap is. What? Hold on, guys. Fucking shit, we're almost at 2 trillion. Yeah, I showed you guys. We only passed $1 trillion. Well, I'll tell you right now. Hold on. We only passed $1 trillion. Hold on a second. On our first day of $1 trillion, it was January 31st of this year. January 31st of this year, we were at $1.002 trillion. That was our first $1 trillion day. The day before that was $985 billion. Then we went to $1.002 trillion. That was January 31st, 2021. We are now at March 31st, 2021, exactly 2 months later. And we've almost doubled the fuck up. Look. Oh, yeah. What does that mean, Shomari? Well, it means double the money has poured into this space in the scope of fucking 60 days than for all these years we've been doing this crap for. Right? Fuck. So if you wanted to know, is there really going to be a tsunami? Look, idiot, we just doubled up from $1 trillion in 60 days. 60 days. How big is this market cap going to go, Shomari? Yeah. Trillions upon trillions upon trillions, buddy. Many trillions. Holy. Bang! 60 days only. Shit. All right. I had to be like, daggone. I mean, is that real? Well, that's the real, so here it is. Let me say it. 1 $1.896 trillion. January 31st, we were at $1.002 trillion. We've almost doubled up in 60 days. I want you all to remember that. That's what's known as demand. That's new money flowing into this space. That's why even if you own shit coins, they're all flying. Every coin is flying. There is nothing. I guarantee you that if you look at January 1st till now, not one coin in this space is below what they were on January 1st. Guarantee you. Guarantee you. I bet my left testicle on it. Look. All right, guys. So anyways, so that's mega, all right? So think about that. In 60 days, we've almost added $1 trillion to this market in only 60 days. And remember this, the institutions aren't even here yet. I mean, I'm about to read you some. They're bringing their buddies along. So if we've doubled up and the institutions aren't here yet, and they're telling us, and I'm about to read it to you, they're telling us they're about to bring their people. That's why when I say you are going to be rich, that's why when I tell you, accumulate, buy, accumulate, buy, accumulate, buy, build a cryptocurrency warehouse big, buy, build a cryptocurrency warehouse strong, bang, and you fill it with revenue generating companies. Not the 0.00000. Don't look at it that way. Look at who's making money. Anything in this space that's actually making money, generating revenue, well, smart money is about to get here. And they have what's called analysts. And those analysts, well, they got to analyze this space. Anything that's making money here, oh my gosh, you're going to be fucking rich. Rich, Shomari. Fucking rich, dog. Fucking rich. Okay? Remember, we've doubled up, with retail money only. The institutional money is just trickling in. So yeah, guys, we ain't over yet. This ain't over yet. We have a lot of work to do. Accumulate, accumulate, accumulate. Fuck. Because here it comes. Here it comes. All right. Well, we've begun. We've almost doubled up. And, I mean, wait till we get SEC regulatory clarity. Well, and plus clarity from other countries, too. I mean, everybody. But everyone's waiting on America. Let's get real. Holy shit. All right, guys. So, it's finally starting. All right. So, though, let's just do how we normally do and calm down for a second. All right. So, total market cap is $1.863 trillion. When I left you yesterday, we were at $1.896 trillion. So we've actually gone down $0.033 trillion. All right. Let's look at market cap. 24-hour volume. Fucking shit. Buy. We've almost doubled up, baby. Yo, there's some token out here. If you know of it, tell me about it in my comments, please. I'm going to probably buy some of it. It's a token that it's for the value of the whole crypto market. The whole thing. All right? You know what I'm saying? It's a coin that is based on the value of the market cap of the whole market. Tell me what the fuck that is, please, everybody. Somebody. Yeah, I'm going to get that shit. Yeah, well, think about it. If it's based on the market cap of crypto, well, you just doubled up. Oh, late. All right, so let's just go to the 24-hour volume. That's what I'm talking about. Look. All right, 24-hour volume. $168.1 billion. When I left yesterday, we're at $125.1 billion. So we've gone up $43 billion. Bang! All right, let's get her done. Let's get moving. Bang! Let's get to the stories. Bang! R3 Corda releases Ethereum-based XDC bridge for interoperability. So, as you all know, R3 Corda is that the IBM thing? Anyway, it's permissioned. So this is what, and sorry, okay, let me slow down. And they're being deployed all over big industry. Remember this, industries don't want, a lot of companies in industries, they don't want public blockchains. they want blockchain, but they don't want to use public ones. They want to use permissioned ones, in other words, private ones. So only they are using it, right? They're not into this whole hippie shit, free spirit, free love. Just everyone can look at whatever. Nah, dog. We want a blockchain, yeah, but we don't want people seeing what we're doing on it. And that's what R3 Corda does. And so, bang! This is a bridge for interoperability. And like I told you, I've told you this, guys, a bunch of times here. Crypto nerds are always telling me, Shomari, man, Ethereum sucks. Ethereum sucks. Really? Well, why do big mega corporations and stuff keep building on it? Yeah, you're just listening. You think it sucks because you're just a fucking moron at home listening to what crypto nerds are telling you on their little crypto sites. Well, I look at how I know where something is good or not. I don't listen to the cheerleaders or the haters. That's stupid. Like, why would I do that? I look at, is the product being used? Right? Is the product being used? Like, I don't like Apple computers. Yeah, but people are buying them, so bang. It's a great product. Right? Even though no business would ever deploy through Apple, no government would ever use Apple computers for their systems. Yeah, well, regular soccer moms and dads do, and little girls in high school do, so back. It's a good product. And so that's how I look at things. Is it being used? Is it being bought? Stuff like that. I don't listen to techno nerds. When it comes to this crypto space or anything I look at, I don't look at what idiots say. I look at, what the pros are using. Like if I want to buy a tent. So for instance, I like camping. Right. And so, people talk about this tent, that tent, that tent. Well, what I do is I look at, what tents are they using when they're out in the Antarctic? Yeah. What are they using out there? All right. I get that tent. All right, so, you look at, that's how you got to look at markets. That's how you have to look at companies, This sucks, that sucks. Oh, yeah, well, EOS has 1,000 transactions a second. It's going to be an Ethereum killer. Well, Ethereum's still here. And EOS, I haven't heard a fucking fuck word from you yet of any major onboardings. And so always remember that. Don't listen to fanboys and haters. Fanboys are just going to blow sunshine up your ass, and haters are just going to try to feed you FUD. You have to use your own brain and just look at, is this product being actually used? In other words, the product here is blockchain. And by whom? Who's using it? Right? It's not just is it being used, but who's using it? And bang! R3 Corda comes to Ethereum. And so what this thing is good for is, and just like I told you, companies want to have privacy, but they also want to use Ethereum, right? So this is a bridge for that. I'm not going to lie. I only read half the article. Once I got halfway through, I was like, all right, this is good enough. This is good. I'm going to tell these guys. Yeah, and that's the truth, Remember that. We are on public, permissionless. Well, that's what we're invested in. Public, permissionless, tokenized blockchains. Yeah, well, that's not necessarily what big business wants. Right? R3 Corda. R3, right? A lot of companies are using their blockchain. Yeah, permissioned blockchain, right? It's private. Right? You don't want your enemy know what you're doing. Plus, you might want it configured in a certain way. That's conducive to your particular business practice and business model, right? So you get something like R3 to come in and build you a custom-made thing. All right, so bang! So for Ethereum hodlers, bang! Let's check this out. Oh, yeah. Ethereum sucks, really? Why do big businesses keep deploying on it then? I'll tell you why. We already read about it here. In 2019, Ernst & Young, the CEO, Ernst & Young, the number one accounting firm in the world, yeah, they said they're going to introduce all their clients to Ethereum. Why? Simple reason. No vendor lock-in. No vendor lock-in. That's what he said was the magic difference between Ethereum and all other blockchains, right? Sure, you could deploy stable coins on, not stable coins, smart contracts on this or that. Sure, you could deploy distributed apps on that and that. Yeah, but what you have is vendor lock-in. You're deploying on something that's owned by another company. Ethereum is not owned by anyone. It's just there. So there's no vendor lock-in. That's the secret sauce. So whenever anyone tells you, well, Ethereum sucks, you tell them, yeah, Ethereum has no vendor lock-in. And that's what corporations care about. I don't care about what you tech nerds care about. I care about what, obviously, I'm investing in a product, and I care about what those people who are going to use that product care about. And that's what they care about when it comes to Ethereum, is that there is no vendor lock-in. Simple thing like that. Changes it all. EOS, it's the Ethereum killer. Yeah, but you've got vendor lock-in. You're owned by a company. EOS, your blockchain is owned by a company. All right. And we can go on and on about the other Ethereum killers. Everyone says Neo, and all of them. All right, so let's move on. So Corda, a decentralized blockchain offshoot of software company R3, recently announced that it had built a decentralized bridge to permissionless. So this is the private blockchains. Wait, sorry. The bridge to permissionless. No, sorry. So this is the shit that we're in. We're in the permissionless shit on the Ethereum ecosystem. Sorry, permissionless. So it's a bridge from permissioned to permissionless. All right, hold on. We'll see. Well, I know already because I've read half of it. But all right, XDC to facilitate exchange on Corda. So the announcement sees them collaborate with permissioned. That's the big deal. That's what a lot of these, and that's what I love about VeChain, IOTA, Stellar. They are, all three of those guys are also starting to integrate with permissioned blockchains. I'd like to see Chainlink, come on, provide data to permissioned blockchains. Chainlink, oh yeah, Chainlink, come on. So, because that's what the majority, let me give you an example. Let me say something. Here's the companies in the world. Okay, now obviously this is just my complete speculation. But out of these companies, all right, here's the companies. Let's look at digits are better. Here's the companies in the world. Well, they are all going to have blockchain one day. Every single one of them. I'm going to read you a fucking article maybe tomorrow. Yeah, even they admit it. The people admit it. They're admitting it now. It's the new internet. Like I told you, the new .com bubble. Okay, tomorrow I'm going to read to you. Tomorrow we're going to go. But today I wanted to give you some big money too. But I got two tomorrow though. I got the IOTA story and the other story about where they're showing, this is the new internet. And so there's two types: permissioned, private internet, and public internet. This permissionless stuff that we're invested in, right? Public blockchains, right? And, a lot of these public blockchains, like I told you, IOTA, VeChain, and Stellar are now adding components so that they can talk to and, interact with permissioned, which is what, so that's what I was telling you. So here's corporations. Out of these corporations, all 10 of them are going to have a permissioned blockchain. All of them. But they might want the usability of, say, an Ethereum for the smart contracts, say for a VeChain for the traceability, say for IOTA for your Internet of Things devices and your warehouses or whatever. All 10 of them are going to have permissioned blockchains, and about 5 of them, now this is pure speculation, are going to incorporate permissionless public blockchains as well as their permissioned blockchains. So to create what's called a hybrid system, right? So for certain aspects of my company, all right, I don't need that, super security. I don't need the privacy. I just need some shit to work to do something and get her done. Whereas obviously for my more sensitive parts of my company, well, I'm going to have a permissioned blockchain where only my employees can get on it and use it and stuff like that, right? We don't want just miscreants like Shomari and Edwin running around on your blockchain. We're going to have Edwin, love you, brother. Where it's, especially a miscreant like Edwin. Especially Edwin. You don't want him running around on your blockchain. And so you're going to have it permissioned. So it's called a hybrid system. You're going to have your one that your employees log into. And then you're going to have an aspect of your company that, your employees are still going to log in, but be using also a permissionless public blockchain. All right. And that's the truth, right? It's not one or the other, like crypto nerds, everything is the Satoshi thing, peer-to-peer, transparency, all that. Fuck all that. If I'm a megacorp, I don't want transparency. I want a blockchain, but I want you guys seeing what I'm doing with it. And that's the truth. And that's what I told you would happen. I've been telling you on this channel from the beginning, like, just a lot of these dreams that these crypto nerds have, it's not conducive to real business and the real world. Like, this whole, the dream, peer-to-peer and all this and that. Yeah, in some aspects it'll work, but I like I've told you the truth, big business is going to take this technology and bring it to a whole other place. And then what these sort of Bitcoin maximalist Satoshi Nakamoto lovers think of when it comes to blockchain, right? But that's not the vision of Satoshi. So what, dickhead? Yeah, well, so what? And what? And what? Yeah, they're taking the blockchain in another direction. Can't stop them. Okay, so grow up, man up, invest wisely, make your money, dog. Stop crying about some philosophy of libertarianism and just all this bullshit, saving the world, banking the unbanked and all this. Look, dickhead, just make your money, dog. You let them worry about all that crap. That's what this channel's about. My channel is straight. It's about one thing. Straight cash, homie. I don't give a fuck about Satoshi Nakamoto. I don't give a fuck about, decentralization. I don't give a fuck about banking the unbanked. Blockchain saved the world, any of it. This channel is about getting you to position yourself, you the investor, you the regular working guy or girl or gal, guy or gal, gal, yes. The guy or gal out there to make your money off this space. Because there's plenty of money to be made. But if you're going to sit here and you're going to be crying about, well, this is not the Satoshi vision. This is not how Satoshi believed it would. Look, dickhead, you ain't going to make shit. You ain't going to make shit. Okay? You got to feed your family. Right? You got to put money in your pocket and food on your table. Don't worry about some other fuckstick's vision. That fucker's probably dead. Satoshi Nakamoto. Yeah, he's probably fucking dead. Right? Why hasn't he moved any of his crypto? He's probably dead. Or he's such a loser, such a moron. Maybe he lost the private keys for it and he just, fuck. Who knows, man? But who cares? Point is, you got to make your money. And that's what this channel's about. We're not here for philosophies and ideologies and stuff. We're here for straight cash, homie. And where we can get it, we're going to take it. All right, so let's move on. Oh, Lee, I didn't think I was going to yap about this one. How did I get into all that? Look, XTC. To facilitate an exchange on, bang, Corda. So the announcement sees them collaborate with permissioned permissioned hybrid blockchain protocol, e-exchange. Infinite, XINFIN, to improve the global trade finance space. XFIN's utility token, XFIN digital contract, XDC, would be used for payment settlement on the Corda network. Fuck, that would be nice if it was Cardano. All right. So the interoperable bridge, built by a team of former Royal Bank of Scotland employees, designated Lab 577, will make the Corda blockchain talk to other blockchain networks. Bang! Talk to other blockchain networks. Bang! Mind you of anything? Chainlink to the rescue. It's Chainlink to the rescue. And that's the problem with Chainlink. They're only doing this public shit. Chainlink's got to man up. And let's get with the corporates. Let's get private. Let's get going. Stop with this Satoshi Nakamoto nonsense. So look, this will greatly engender the transmission of private user data on the Corda network. The limited data set will also make its way to the XDC secure network. Wait a minute. Hold on a second. Oh, my bad. Hold on. Oh, so XDC, so bang. Oh, there's a token for it, so bang. If you want to get in on this, buy some XDC coin. All right, I thought I saw something. I thought I saw something about a coin up there. So look, this will greatly engender the transmission of private user data on the Corda network. The limited data set will also make its way to the XDC secure network. In a press release shared with us, Director of the team, Richard Crook, noted the importance of this Corda XFIN interoperable bridge, saying that one of the blockchain's trilemma would be put to bed. So this is what the guy says. He says that, Richard Crook, he says, the first currency across is XDC, but this lays the groundwork to connect Corda to ERC20s and other cryptocurrency networks. What you would see here is the age-old challenge of bang! Interoperability being solved. Interoperability being solved. Oh, come on, Chainlink. So R3 has been in the crypto space for some years. During its inception in 2015, the R3 team pointed to the potential blockchain technology like Bitcoin would bring to the financial sector. Even though large financial houses initially signed up for the project, fears about competitors getting their hands on company data saw interest wane. Exactly. They don't want their competitors getting their hands on the data. So this led to the creation of a Corda, a system that enables data and value transfer between parties without giving out vital data. Private. They want them private. These are big businesses. You can't have your fucking competitor, finding out what you're up to, right? So the Corda project has been hugely successful, and they created a payment platform that supported Ripple Labs XRP token in 2018. That didn't work out very well. So KYC will come to Shinfin. This innovation joins a growing number of new generation interoperable blockchain. Cosmos, a permissionless blockchain platform on the Ethereum network, recently launched its inter-blockchain communication protocol. That's huge. That's the other thing. So I told you guys about these the oracles, how important they are, because you have to have outside data come on chain. But this is the other thing. You have to have your permissioned private blockchains talk to these permissionless public blockchains, right? And so Cosmos, a permissionless blockchain platform on the Ethereum network, recently launched its inter-blockchain communication protocol. Crook noted that the XDC powered bridge between Corda and other DLT-based platforms would incorporate more interchain-enabled assets in the coming months. But even as the blockchain protocol values decentralization, XDC co-founder Atul Kekade notes that the platform ensures the regulatory guidelines are being followed. Kekade said that all intending validators would need to undergo regulatory know your customer protocols to be eligible. This will see them lock 10 million XDC tokens valued at 300 grand to become a validator, and they must duly attach a KYC node to the network. The need for regulatory goalposts is increasing by the day as the crypto industry continues to attract institutional demand. Institutional demand. You have to be, bang, remember the word I told you, regulated, regulatory, right? You have to be regulated to attract, bang, institutional demand. I mean, I've said this a million times here. A hedge fund cannot put their clients' money in unregulated shit. They're not allowed. They'll lose their license and get maybe even thrown in jail. Like, who knows? But they'll definitely lose their license. And why would I do that, right? If I'm a hedge fund master. So a growing number of criminals, okay. A growing number of criminal elements have become attracted to the crypto space, forcing global regulatory bodies to clamp down on crypto activities in some regions. Yeah, absolutely. Of course they have. A lot of people are saying this NFT space, the reason it's really jumping off is because just big cartels and big criminal organizations around the world are using the NFTs to launder their money. Right? Like the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, but so I want to say it this way. That happens in the real world already. You know, if I'm a distributor of cocaine in France and I need cocaine from Colombia, maybe I don't pay for the cocaine in cash. I pay for it in artwork. You know, artwork is now basically an investment vehicle. People buy art nowadays not to put on their walls in their homes to to show that they've got this piece of art, but they buy it strictly for the investment thing. And that's what drug dealers around the world have been doing, is buying art and then shipping the art. So I buy, I don't know, I need, like, so we're talking the big boys now, though. These are like street dealers. And we're talking to the big, guys. And so I want, 20 kilos of coke. Yeah, well, I buy a piece of artwork that's valued at that, and I ship that to the guy who's got the coke. Yeah, and then he ships me my coke, right? Its value, the art's value is the same as the coke. So, right, I've just purchased it just with a different way, right? Yeah, it's just a different way, but the drug dealer gets a piece of art that is worth blah, 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 20 kilos of coke, right? Yeah, it's true. And so I'll tell you right now, that's what people are talking about is going on in the NFT world, because it's easier. Yeah, if I'm a criminal, yeah, I don't have to ship the piece of art to you through, freight, FedEx or whatever. I can just transfer this NFT to you and bang, there's your money, buddy. So like the U.S. Exchange Commission, SEC regulatory agencies have since directed crypto-facing businesses to incorporate necessary security protocols to obtain in the traditional financial space. All right, so buy though. Look. So Ethereum hodlers, buy. Here's a bridge to the private blockchain world. And that's what's necessary. The private blockchain world, interoperability. Interoperability. That's the key. And and who's doing it? It said Cosmos, though. And there was another company that the company that's being used for this. What is it called? Shinfin. Oh, Shinfin Digital Token. Yeah. Oh, XDC. There it is. So, yeah, this is being used in that. So, bang. Just so you know. All right, guys, let's move on. Bang. BlackRock SEC filing shows 360,000 gain from Bitcoin futures. So, BlackRock. BlackRock is the biggest wealth manager in the world. Oh, yeah. Like I always tell you about Fidelity. All right, well, there's a new movie coming out. Godzilla versus King Kong. Well, that's what this is. Fidelity is Godzilla. Fucking BlackRock is King Kong. All right? They're the mega of the mega of the megaist asset managers in the world, okay? Yeah. So they're both coming here to the crypto space. Wow. I would love to see them battle for supremacy. Battle for supremacy. Let's go in this space. Because that'll bring us the daggone loot. What? Oh, my gosh. So I told you, if Fidelity were to allocate 5% of their clients' money, right, it would be like, what, 500 billion? Yeah, well, if BlackRock allocated 5 cents, oh, sorry, 5%, it'd probably be... All right. I don't know. Let's just go on. Let's go on. I don't want to say some numbers that are bullshit. Like how people don't want to say FUD. I also don't want to give unsubstantiated hopium. You guys know how we do around here. We don't bullshit. We talk the truth. There's going to be a lot of money made. You don't have to bullshit. You don't have to promote $589 ripples. Oh, my gosh. All right, guys. So, look. A filing from the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission showed that BlackRock Financial Management's Bitcoin futures contracts have appreciated significantly this year. According to BlackRock's monthly portfolio investments report, released by the SEC today, the firm held 37 Bitcoin futures contracts issued through the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, which expired on March 26. The contracts appreciated by $457,000. So I talked to you about CME yesterday, right? Chicago Mercantile Exchange. That was yesterday's show, right? Well, why am I asking you? Let me look. Yeah, I showed you yesterday. Yeah, so BlackRock is using the CME, the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, to buy Bitcoin futures contracts. So the gains from the Bitcoin futures represent 0.00142 of BlackRock's global allocation fund, or 6.12 Bitcoin at the time of publication. The company holds more than 8.6 trillion. So that's what I want you to understand. Bang! BlackRock is the biggest of the biggest. 8.6 trillion dollars under management. I told you about wealth managers. Wealth managers and asset managers. Those are the guys that when people want to invest their money, but they're scared, I don't know how to do it myself, blah, 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 blah. They go to these guys. They go to Fidelity. They go to BlackRock, right? They feel safer for them, blah, blah, blah. They don't want to get into the, like that, Soccer. Well, BlackRock is not for soccer mom and dad. BlackRock is for, you got to be a millionaire to kind of invest with these guys. Fidelity's for soccer mom and dad, like your average, like seriously worker bee. BlackRock is, well, high-end worker bees, so, big-time lawyers, big-time doctors, big-time CEOs, but they're still just regular people who want their money to be invested, right? But I'm scared. And so I'm not making fun. Sort of. Aren't you? Yeah, a little bit. But you know what I'm saying, guys. Because you guys aren't those kind of pussies, you know what I mean? You guys are here with me, right? You guys are obviously hardcore. So look, last month, the firm's chief investment officer, Rick Ryder, said BlackRock had started to dabble a bit. Oh, yeah, just dabbling a bit. Well, when an $8.6 trillion asset manager dabbles a bit, well, that's a lot of money. So last month, the firm's chief investment officer, what to them is dabbling, to us is, oh my gosh, just huge, right? All right, you guys get what I'm trying to say, right? So last month, the firm's chief investment officer, Rick Ryder, said BlackRock had started to dabble a bit in crypto, saying many investors were looking for places that appreciate under the assumption that inflation moves higher and debts are building. Holding some portion of what you hold in cash in things like crypto seems to make some sense to me. Of course, your cash isn't going anywhere. Your Bitcoin is going up 5-10% a day. But I wouldn't espouse a certain allocation or target holding. So there's still being a bunch of dicks, right? So because remember we've been reading, and all those other big companies, they are saying that they want their target holding of 5%. Remember that magic number, 5%, 5%, 5% in crypto. So these guys are still, they're trying to be a little, I don't know how to say it. They're saying, oh, we don't have a target holding, whatever they want, they're doing that. They're doing that. Right? Whereas all the other big dogs are saying, look, about 5% is pretty good, right? Like I said, BlackRock is the biggest of the biggest, so they're a little elite. They're a little snobbish. You know what I mean? They're looking down their nose at you, a little snobbish. So that's why they have that snobby language like that. And actually, I'll read you. All right, we'll get, I don't know. Hold on. So he says that. Wait. Okay, so who's talking? Oh, Rick Ryder. Oh, the chief investment officer of BlackRock says. So now we're going to skip down. We're down here now. Holding some portion of what you hold in cash in things like crypto seems to make some sense to me. But I wouldn't espouse. Oh, we already did read this. I wouldn't espouse a certain allocation or target holding, said Ryder at the time. My sense is the technology has evolved and the regulations have evolved to the point where a number of people find it should be part of the portfolio. See, that's what I told you. The regulations have evolved, but we're not even done regulating this space yet. We still don't even have regulatory clarity from the SEC. Gary Gensler. Oh, yeah. That's what I'm telling you. Wait till that shit comes. Oh, my gosh. Wait till that shit comes. Yeah, what do you think's going to happen? Fucking Bloomberg is going to list it all on their shit on the Bloomberg terminal. Fucking investment vehicles are just going to come flying out of the woodwork, especially if we can get an ETF. If Gensler gives us the ETF we need, want. We don't need it, but want it. Daggone. And which we will get. Like, come on, let's get, I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller, but let's get real. We all know what's going to go down. I don't like to say things that might not come true. So that's why I always say, I don't know. I'm not a fortune teller, but. Well, what do you think, Shomari? But I know you're not a fortune teller, Shomari. But do you think Gensler's going to give the ETF? Yes. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. Yes, I do. That's the way to say it. I'm no fortune teller. I'm not telling you we're going to get it. But in my opinion, yes. Yes. We're about to get bang! We're about to get the goods, brothers. That's how to say it. I'm not telling you we're going to get it. But in my opinion, no, just an opinion. This isn't financial advice. It's just a guy's opinion. He's drinking and smoking. A drinking and smoking Forex trader. Hook killer. So holding some port. Oh, so okay, let's not do that again. Oh, we already went through that. So in January, BlackRock had mentioned Bitcoin in 2 prospectus filings with the SEC, indicating there was a possibility of the multi-trillion-dollar asset manager using crypto derivatives and other assets as part of its investment scheme. Bang! BlackRock is the biggest. I always tell you about Fidelity because Fidelity's a friendly thing. Fidelity, for soccer mom and dad, Yeah, BlackRock, they're more of a, rich guys in tuxedo bunch. You know what I'm saying? Like, they're not for us, regular folk. Kind of thing like that. Which is amazing. Why is that amazing? I can't invest in BlackRock. Who gives a fuck? It's because BlackRock attracts that kind of individual that we want. Mega rich. You know what I mean? The kind of motherfucker who wakes up and puts on a tuxedo to have breakfast with his wife. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? He puts on a $2,000 suit, sits down for his bacon and eggs, and then heads off to the office. All right? That's what BlackRock is. BlackRock is like that. You know, it's for fucking rich motherfuckers, right? Like, literally. Like, I'm talking literally. Like, put on your $2,000 suit, your wife puts your breakfast down, you eat it, head off to work. You know, like, whereas Fidelity is for, well, a guy just dresses in a shirt like this and goes to work, you know? Goes to his little cubicle and writes the spreadsheets for the company. He's a little soccer mom and dad. Whereas BlackRock, they're soccer moms and dads, but really, really, really rich ones, you know what I mean? Here in South Beach, you've got guys. So over here, we've got a lot of boats. Like a lot of people own boats and yachts and everything. So there's the boating area where regular people, their boats are. Yeah, but then you go to Star Island. Yeah, and they've got their private yacht docks. Yeah, $100 million yachts. Yeah, you could see them, right? When you drive on the highway here and everything, you could see all of them. Yeah. So that's what BlackRock is. BlackRock, Fidelity is for those who have. Okay, let me say it another way, because some of us are going to buy planes. Lorna, bong. BlackRock is for those of us who are going to buy private planes, twin prop, you know, propeller planes. Sorry. Fidelity is for those of us who are going to buy propeller planes. Yeah, BlackRock are for those motherfuckers who fly G5s and G6s, you know, private jets. There's a difference between a propeller plane and a private jet. So BlackRock is for the jet set. Fidelity is for the propeller set. Bye! And so what I want you to be happy about is, well, it's BlackRock investing themselves, but what do you think they're going to do? They're going to start funneling their clients' money. Remember, they are the asset managers. They're the ones who manage the clients' money. They're going to start funneling their clients' money into this space. And, well, you and I, thanks to that, gonna be fucking rich. Oh, yeah, rich, Shomari. Fucking rich, dog. Fucking rich. Just hodl. I know you're already getting rich. You're sitting there and you're getting rich. Oh, and you're like, fuck, man, Shomari, man, I'm already at $1 million, man. Fuck, I want to take out this money. Dog, settle down. You're a millionaire now. Okay, you're a millionaire. Pat yourself on the back and settle down. There's plenty more work to do. You could be a millionaire, or you can be a multi-millionaire. Oh. See the difference? Oh, sure. All right, you have $1 million. Pat yourself on the back. You did it. Welcome to the goodie room. You're now a member. Do you want to be a successful member of this place? We're going for multi-millions. Multi. That means more than one. In case you don't understand. Multi. All right, let's just move on. Yeah, before I start preaching around these parts. We're going for multi around these parts, son. Multi. Yeah, even my sister. Fucking, she called me up looking at her hodlings. Shomari. Yeah, now she's getting smart. Yeah, now my sister, she's getting smart. Remember that little sister? Remember my sister I told you about? I have two sisters. I have my street sister, and then I have my blood sister. My street sister, she's kicking ass, and we're gonna say hi to her in the shout outs. My blood sister, she's a smarty pants, but not so bright when it comes to money. You know what I mean? She's one of these, you know, and which most people are. Yeah, you know what happened this weekend? Yeah, she called my ass up. Hey, Shomari, I see the crypto's looking nice. What else should I invest in? Yeah, now she's asking me, right? I had to fucking sort of try to, short of strangling her. Of course, I'd never strangle my own sister. But you know what I'm saying. Short of giving her a bitch slap. Rachel, settle down. You need to invest. And now she's calling me, though. You know, now she's calling me herself. Shomari, what should I get next? I mean, I don't want to get too hardcore, you know. So I told her to sign up to a KuCoin account, and then once she's done, I'll show her what to get. All right, though, guys. So look, enough of my sister bet. Bye. There it is. That's the biggest of the biggest. How many trillions of dollars does BlackRock have under management? Yeah. Well, let's go. Let's go. Where is that? Say it. Where is it? What the fuck is that? Believe me, guys, it's trillions. What the fuck? Where is that? What? Oh, there we go. Bang! Yes. 8.6 trillion. The whole American economy, the GDP of America is 19.7 trillion, I believe is what we had last year. Oh, well, BlackRock is, what, 2/5 of that? Something like that. All right, let's move on, though. Let's move on. Bang! You're going to be rich. Oh, yeah, so here we go again. Here we go again now. Some more rich fuck sticks. And that's what we've been waiting for. What have I been telling you on this channel? On this channel since we started it. Guys, since you've been together with me and since we've went on this journey together, right? We are waiting for what? Buy. And institutions, right? Here we go. We're finally getting it. When the OCC said, look, you banksters can now custody crypto. Yeah, look at all the banking stories we've been talking about lately. We're hardly even talking about onboardings lately. Hold on, let me look at hold on. Right? We're hardly even talking about onboardings lately, which is what I used to talk about. Well, I still do. Visa coming in. CME coming in. Soros Fund. Whoops, what's this? New Zealand retirement funds. The Indonesia government launching their crypto exchange. CBOE is going to do crypto for retail investors. Morgan Stanley to offer Bitcoin. Goldman Sachs offering an ETF. Fidelity files for the Bitcoin ETF. See, all the mega banks now, right? Sorry, not just banks. But the mega financial institutions are now starting to muscle in on each other, right? We're already here. And they're all battling each other now, getting ready to muscle in to see who can make the most money out of this. Yeah, well, you know what's the beauty of it is, well, when a bunch of rich people are fighting over who can be first to buy your shit, your warehouse, bang, that's built big, bang, that's built strong, bang, that has revenue-generating tokens in it, companies invested, shit. You will be rich. You're going to be rich. You're going to be rich. Face it. That's how it's going to be. You know what I'm saying? That's how it's going down. Simple math. No one can stop it. You know what I'm saying? All right, so, prepare yourselves. Don't worry. We're going to have the lawyers and the shit in here soon. All right, so let me get a sip. Yeah, you're going to be rich, fuckers. All of you. All of you. Especially you guys who've been here with me the longest. What have we been doing? Yeah. Oh, speaking of being here the longest. Yeah, guys. So, look, guys. I'm starting to notice that, well, all the stuff that we bought back in 2018 and 19, it's all risen very big. I'm kind of sort of priced out of some of that stuff now. I'm not going to invest anymore in VeChain, right? I mean, I bought 1 million of them at $3,000. I'm not going to buy 1 million of them at, let's take a look. Let's just talk. Let's talk for a second, brothers. And sisters. Let's talk for a minute, folks. Crypto blockchain family. So look, yeah, right. The V chain, like what, $89,000 now for a million of them. Of course, I'm not going to do that anymore, right? So I'm getting priced out of what I own. And so and I think that a bunch of you are probably feeling the same way, right? So now it's looking for, I'm just going to tell you my my thoughts is that I'm not done accumulating. I mean, I still have more money to put in this space, but I'm done accumulating, VeChain. I'm not going to, I'm not going to spend 90 grand anymore for a million of those, right? That's too much, right? So now I still have more money that I want to put in this space, and I'm looking for new opportunities now. I'm looking for, like Chili's, right? Chili's was bang, bang. They're making money. Bang, they've got all these, it's working. It's working. They've got the teams on there. What is it called? What's that called? What's that shit called? Fan tokens, right? They got all the fan tokens, right? They got the biggest names. And so, yes, I invested in Chili's, and now I'm looking for more. What I'm invested in now, I'm not going to buy. So you guys know my portfolio. I have Ethereum. Well, so Bitcoin, number one, and then Ethereum, SingularityNet, Stellar, IOTA, VeChain. What else do I have? Stratus. That's a different one. That's not to make me super rich, but that's a long term. Stratus is going to murder it. You'll see. I bought that way when they first came out. I think that's it. Those are my 7, yeah? Do I have anything else? And so now I'm looking for, the Chili's, right? And so now I'm looking for these. The Chili's I'm still good on. I'm still going to invest in more Chili's. So let me just say the 7 that I have. Am I ever going to buy more Bitcoin? Nah, I'm priced out. I'm not going to buy any more Bitcoin. Am I ever going to buy more Ethereum? Nah, I'm priced out. Am I ever going to buy any more Chainlink? Nah, I'm priced out. My Chainlink holdings, my Chainlink price target was $142. I'm priced out. What else do I have? Stellar. Wait a minute. Let me look at the Stellar for a second. Oh, no, where's Stellar? Oh, there it is. Stellar. Okay, so I'm not priced out of Stellar yet. Oh, so you're probably asking. So let me tell you what I'm priced out, and then you're probably asking. So I'm going to say what is priced out. What prices me out, right? So you're probably asking that. What prices you out, Shomari? All right, so hold on. All right, so I'm not out of Stellar yet. I can still buy more Stellar. So priced out to me means this. I invest in things that, obviously I want hundreds of times more of my money, thousands of times more of my money would be great. But I will invest in up to 10 times the money. So, meaning that, for instance, VeChain, my price target for VeChain is $1. I know, I'm only at 9 cents now, but fuck it. Let's just call that 10 cents. So my price target $1, that's only 10 times more of my money. There's way more things in here I could put that money into that will make me 100 times the money or 1,000 times the money, right? Same with Chainlink. My price target for it is $142. You see the Chainlink over here? Right? Let me pull it up so you make sure you can see it, right? So Chainlink is already at $29.51. Yeah, so that's less than 10 times the money. Again, I'm not going to put money into Chainlink when I'm going to make less than 10 times the money, and where there's other things where I know that I can make 100 times the money, maybe even 1,000 times the money, depending on. And so that's what my next thing is, or what I'm doing right now. What I'm doing right now is, I practice what I preach. I still want to accumulate. But obviously, I accumulate quality product. And so that's the next thing. I'm looking for quality product that's cheaper than what I have right now, which I'm priced out of. And, get into that, right? So Chili's was the last one. There's one I think called UBX that I'm thinking of getting into. I don't know. It says it has $1 trillion circulating supply, so I have to find out about that. If it's $1 trillion $1 trillion circulating supply, well, fuck all that. But one of the brothers said that Gary Gensler talked about it in a speech, and so if it's not, and then one fuckstick, he's saying it's not a trillion, it's this. All right, prove it to me. And actually, I'm gonna make that fucker prove it to me before I get in, because he's saying it's like 60 billion or whatever. Yeah, dickhead. Well, prove it to me, and I'm gonna get there in a second. I'm gonna get there with you. I think it's called Crypto Lead. That's the guy's name. Yeah, well, prove it to me. Show me, because it says 1 trillion. But that's the next level, guys. Is what's my next wave of my portfolio is built. Now I want to build a new portfolio of sort of new product. Does that make sense? That's probably how I should say it. Of new product that's just coming online, right? We bought the VeChain at 0.003. Yeah, we're all a lot of you are millionaires just off that, what we did right there, right? So I want to find new VeChains, is what I guess I'm trying to say. Because I'm already priced out of what I own. I am never going to buy an Ethereum now at $2,000. No. I'm never going to buy a Bitcoin at 59 grand anymore. I have my little 2.5 Bitcoin. That's going to be it forever. I'm never going to buy more Bitcoin. Well, unless it's to transfer to some other exchange to buy whatever I want. But, okay, you guys get what I'm saying, right? Okay. I thought I just mentioned that. So for a lot of us, a lot of you who've been with me here from the beginning, you've been buying since 2018, 19. All that shit we bought since then, yeah, well, it's up. We're up way over 1,000% on all of them, right? It's time to go searching for some new stuff is what I'm saying, brothers. And so, so I'll be keeping you informed of that whole scenario right there. That UBX one, I'm thinking about it. But, because it's, the other thing about the UBX thing is, it's private, it's permissioned and permissionless, which is what I just told you, the hybrid stuff. Anyways, guys, we'll talk when we get there. All right. That was a lot of yap. All right. Bye. Goldman Sachs to offer. All right, let's just get back to the big money. Goldman Sachs set to offer Bitcoin investment vehicles to its wealthy clients. So look. All right, let me get a sip. Just a few weeks after reopening its Bitcoin trading desk. Right, they opened that shit back in 2017. Wow, when the bloodbath came in 2018, not so good. I can understand. They probably thought, oh, this Bitcoin business is going to go under. But anyway, now we're back. So, just a few weeks after reopening its Bitcoin trading desk, American multinational investment bank Goldman Sachs is poised to offer Bitcoin investment vehicles, not one vehicle, plural, vehicles, to its client in its private wealth management unit. So, according to a recent CNBC report, Goldman Sachs intends to begin offering these Bitcoin investments in Q2. But We're ramping up fast here, aren't we, boys? We're ramping up real fast now, aren't we, boys? OCC said our banksters concussing and everything. Yeah, well, now they're just acting the fool, aren't they? Now they're just, oh, yeah. Now they're just offering investment vehicles, all of it. But, which is what we want, which is what we need, which is what we've been waiting for. Right? All right. So look, according to a recent CNBC report, Goldman Sachs intends to begin offering these Bitcoin investments in Q2 2021. Oh, we ain't waiting around for this shit. Everyone's got to get first now. Once the OCC said that, well, all the banksters now, well, they're all battling to be first. They're all battling to be first to take our money. Well, sorry, not take our money, to give us their money. Yeah, we're not here to get our money taken. We're here to take it. Look, you got the makers and the takers. Who said that? Paul Ryan. He was the politician here in America. The makers and the takers. Yeah, well, I'm here to take your money, dog. Look, those nerds made it, and I'm here to take it. Look. Based on information gotten from the bank's new global head of digital assets for the private wealth management division. Bang! So she noted that Goldman Sachs intends to eventually offer a full spectrum. Oh, yeah, and that's the words I like. Bang! A full spectrum of cryptocurrency. Oh, some miscreant right here. All right, we'll get back to the full spectrum in a second, brothers. Sisters, I'll be right back. Let me deal with this fuckstick right here. Bang! All right. All right, I'm back. All right, where were we here? We were in some Goldman Sachs goods. Oh, yeah. Oh, the full spectrum. Yeah. So look. I said they're going to offer a full spectrum of cryptocurrency investments using any suitable investment vehicle. Any suitable. In other words, these fucksticks aren't fucking around. Yeah, Goldman Sachs, they're not fucking around. They're going to, hold on, let me even bang that. Bang! Any suitable investment. Yeah, what do you want? You want options? You want swaps? You want futures contracts? What do you want? We'll give it to you all of it. Any suitable investment vehicle. Whether that's through the physical Bitcoin derivatives or traditional investment vehicles. Bang, they don't give a fuck. We're going to give it to you all. Well, and that's for the big boys. They're going to give the big boys everything they want. Everything they want. And when they give them everything they want, well, we're going to get everything we want. Straight cash, homie. So look, Rich also stated the bank is consciously working to see how best to offer its private wealth management clients access to the crypto space. Yeah, so the private wealth stuff, big money. She said, we're working closely with teams across the firm to explore ways to offer thoughtful and appropriate access to the ecosystem for private wealth clients, and that is something we expect to offer in the near term. Yeah. Bang! They're going to bring us our money, the wealth clients, in the near term. So Goldman Sachs Private Wealth Management Division. The Private Wealth Management Division of Goldman Sachs primarily targets high net worth individuals and families, large institutions and endowments. Big money. These investments need to have at least what? Bang! $25 million to invest before you can join the group. $25 million. So what does that tell you? When a motherfucker, what do you think about that? What do you think that means? Well, I'll tell you, as a market killer like me, when I read that you are offering this service to your investors that have to have 25 million or more, well, that tells me that your high net worth, your big time clients are demanding it. And in other words, you're offering it for 25 million or more. You don't even give a fuck about miscreants. Oh, you only have $1 million? You only have 10 million? Fuck you. You're not even worth my time. That tells you, brothers and sisters. Ah, well, these guys aren't stupid. That tells you they know the big money is coming. So here, Goldman Sachs offers its clients a wide range of services, including investment advisory and wealth advisory services. And that's what I told you. The wealth advisory and the What was it? Wealth management and asset management, right? So, like I said, these are just really rich people, but that are scared to invest on their own. Yeah, they might have got rich because, they own, a vineyard that sells blah, 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 some big wine or something, or, startup guys, and they started something and it's making them money. Yeah, well, but they're still afraid to invest for themselves. Like you and I, you listening to me right now, you don't need a wealth manager. You don't need an asset manager. You're not a fucking pussy. You're ready to get in here and get your hands dirty yourself. Right? Yeah, these are rich people who, I don't want to do it myself. All right. So they join the group and they get their services in investment advisory and wealth advisory. So look, with this latest move, it intends to grant its wealthy clients in the private group access to various digital assets, including Bitcoin. Earlier this month, Morgan Stanley took the same step, revealing plans to offer its wealthy clients access to 3 Bitcoin funds. We read about those. Investors to turn to Bitcoin. The latest Bitcoin bull run has prompted several individual and institutional investors to jump on the Bitcoin bandwagon. These investors are seeing the digital asset as a hedge against inflation. Speaking on this, Rich said, there are also a large contingent of clients who feel like we're sitting at the dawn of a new internet. Oh, that's right. So he said that we're seeing clients that say that we're on the dawn of a new internet in some ways and are looking for ways to participate in the space. Buy! Hold on. Buy at the dawn of a new internet. Like I told you. .com bubble. .com bubble. That's what this place is about to become. Now I know there's a bunch of you out there. You've been making a lot of money. You've been here with me a long time. You're already a millionaire. Yeah, well, now you're going to be a multi-millionaire. You understand? You're going to be multi. We've just been playing around with these fucking little miscreants. Soccer moms and dads. Now we're going to play with the big boys. And when those boys come, look. Yes. You're going to be multi-millionaire, right? So, Shadow the bank might decide to offer funds similar to Morgan Stanley's planned Bitcoin funds, in addition to several other investment vehicles, including trading other crypto funds like the Galaxy Bitcoin Fund. All right, whatever. So, buy. Big money. Here comes the big money. Buy. And these are for the what? These are for the what? Wealthy investors. Where is it? Let me bang it. Where are you? There it is. Bang! At least 25 million, bitch. That's your basic count. You want to rock with these boys, that's the basic count. That's how Goldman's working. That's how Goldman Sachs is doing it. They're bringing us whales. 25 million or more, son. You got 20 million? Miscreant. Get out of here. Daggone broke mother. Look. So look, brothers and sisters. Keep accumulating. Keep buying. Keep hodling. Victory is on the way. All right, let's go on. Bang. What we got here? Oh, yeah, we got Piggy Wiggy right up front, the first one. Dang on, Kong, who just came with Piggy Wiggy right here. Look, Kong, Bitcoin Kong. Wow. Love you, Kong. See you, Kong. Boy, what's he talking about? V chain around these parts, miscreants and fuck sticks. Settle down for the look. You fucking tell him, Kong. Fucking tell him. That's how it is. The look is coming. Well, we're kind of here. Well, we're not here yet. So you tell him right. Kong. You're right. It's coming. So look, peeling it. Boom. R3’s Corda. Ethereum-Based. Boom. BlackRock starts to dabble in crypto. Oh, my fuck. That's a boom. In fact, that's such a big one. Boom. You need 2 Piggy Weezies to cover BlackRock. And then here comes Goldman Sachs. Boo! And then one more for us. Bang! That's my subscribers right there. Boom! That's what your portfolio is going to be looking like. That's what it's looking like. My subscribers. One more time. Let's get it to my subscribers. Boom! You daggone right. You daggone. Whoops. You daggone. Oh, let's get the bomb. Boom! You daggone right. So that goes, brothers. Wow, that's your portfolio right there. Yeah. Kong. What's Kong talking about? Look. What are you talking about? Look about. Oh, yesterday's show? Oh, you guys were all just having fun yesterday. Okay, I see. All right, Kong, let's move on. All right, TJ. All right, TJ, let's see with the bang. Oh, yeah, here's the whole band of them. 16 of them. Oh, yeah, you just throw out the net and see what you catch. I caught myself a Justin Delavina. Bye. Let's see with the bang. Oh, there's my sister. So I have two sisters. I have the sister that you guys met in my chat room that I yelled at you guys about. Like, don't fuck around. Don't fucking. I got crazy there when I was on that medication. But then I have this other sister. She's my street sister. We've been through a lot together. And she's the one I love. And so, well, I love them both. They're both my sisters. Dag on. Not one, both. But this one here, man, I do any manner of craziness, and she says, okay, Shomari, let's do it. Like, that's how she is. But she's also a smarty pants. And love you, April. Love you, April. Love you, April. Snips. Sister. Love you, sis. Swiss. Love you, sis. See you, sis. Bye. Don't worry, you're going to come down here with me. Once we get this money, we're going to go tear up the world. We're going to go do all sorts of crazy shit. Oh, yeah. You know how we do. Yes. You know how we do, girl. Bye. Beautiful brawlies. I tell you, brawlies. I still don't have a brawly. I tell you. Everyone's turning against you now. Wow. I tell you, some of the crew don't like how you're treating me. Now look, I don't mind. I mean, some of them are saying I'm being too gentle with you. So look, let's get an umbrella. Once and for all. Or just say you don't have any. And let's get over with. Yes. The crew's not liking the treatment. Show some appreciation. Beautiful brawlers. Love your girl, see your girl. Back. Look, grunchable. Oh, what's this fuckstick saying now? Oh, he's doing the thing again. Focus equals follow one course until success. Bye. Excellent thing right there. Bye. Oh, son of a bitch. Look at this one. Like a cockroach. You got to get him. Son of a bitch. Look. Bang. 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 Yes, got you wrong, guys. Son of a bitch. Yes. Hey. Love and see brother. No savior. Look. Bang. Gotta get him. Don't let him slip by. All right. Radster, 1975. Hold down the insurgency in Eastern Europe and Prague. Beautiful architecture, like I told you. Bang. Come visit you out there. Once this shit's all done, I got my private plane. I'm into Prague. Look, the bang. Beautiful architecture in Prague. Andrew Trada. the bang. Oh, yeah. He already told. See? No IKEA catalogs around these parts. We're not going to get into that again. I talked about it yesterday. Yes. But he's got his mind right. You see Andrew Racheda? Yeah, he's got his mind right. That's how you do. You got to get your mind right. Bye. All right. Labor. Sunny B. Spy Lady. Spy Lady. Levy Lady. See you, lady. Bye. Yes. Deep Entertainment. So, brother. Love and see, brother. Bye. We got Abundantly Me. Love and see, brother. Bye. And the kid. What do we got? Bam, connecting those dots. He's like a little detective. Love the zebra. Bang. And that's why, Biniam, actually, I'm thinking about this UBX token. You said that you heard, what's his name? Gary Gensler talk about UBX at one of his MIT lectures with the students. And so, yeah, I'm buying UBX because of you, buddy. Well, I'm not sure if I'm still going to buy it. I still got to find out how much the circulating supply is. That fucking idiot. Oh, sorry, not idiot. This guy in my chat, he says, well, it's not really a trillion. Yeah, well, I don't see anywhere on UBX's website that says it's not a trillion. So we're going to have to discuss that. But I would like to get into that. If it's not a trillion, I'm in. If it's a trillion, give me a fucking break. So, Benny, I'm loving the zebra. Bang! Like I said, I want to do the new, I want to, I'm priced out of some things already, so I'm going to add more things that I'm not priced out in. You know what I mean? Like, okay, VeChain, I'm done. I'm not buying any more VeChain. What I make off that's what I make off it. Yeah, well, I still have more money to spend. I still have more money to invest, right? And so I'm looking for the new VeChains and the new, Singularity Nets and Stellars and stuff. Whoops. All right, what we got here? L-Wave. Love the cheap of the bar. Robbie Hardaway. Love the cheap of the bar. Technically bullish. Love the cheap of the VeChain Master. Bye. Speaking of VeChain Masters, where's the chief? Guess he was sleeping last night. Shayal Genti. All right. Well, cool. Bye. And this guy, Nicholas Oros. Love the sheep of the bye. All right. We got here. Grunstable. What's he saying? Oh, yeah. So that's why I'm going to talk to you guys about this tomorrow. So Grunstable says, listen up carefully, IOTA hodlers. Make sure that you correct. Sorry. Let's start again. Make sure that you convert your old IOTA coins to the new network. You can do this by April 21st. And this is recommended. Firefly. And so that's what I mean. Like, fucking soccer mom and dad, they don't want to have to, keep track of what they got to change. Where's the new airdrop? Where's the new this? Where's the new, I got to stake my things here or there. So first of all, let me give you a grunstable. Bye. Thanks for the story. And, but anyway, so we're not going to cry about it, but now I'm going to talk to you guys, my IOTA hodlers. So IOTA hodlers, this is what we got to do. I'm going to find out about it tomorrow, I think. I'm trying to get info and then we'll get it done. Right, IOTA came out with the new wallet lately, didn't they? Right? What was that one wallet we had? Actually, I have coins on it right now. Trinity wallet. Let's hope this one's better than that. But you got to transfer your tokens because IOTA is going to have a wrapped token. Actually, hold on 1 second. One second. Wrapped IOTA is now available on BSC as community member. Anyway, so we're going to talk about it tomorrow. Announces pancakes. So we're going to talk about that tomorrow. But yeah, guys. So for all of us who've been actually investing in working product, we've got to do this swap shit. And I'm going to talk about it tomorrow probably. Or at least by the end of this week. We have till the 21st, so another 20 days. So believe me, I'll get the information out to you because I have to do it too. I got to swap my shit. And so then this is the kind of bullshit I'm talking about. Soccer mom and dad don't want to put up with this crap. They want to buy it and just, why do I have to do all this other stuff? Because you tech nerds are doing stuff? Like, it's a bunch of bullshit. All right, let's move on. So Crypto Eveline, like the tweet I was mentioned in. Oh, Crypto Eveline, you're really following this channel, huh? All right, so Crypto Eveline, if you want to be part of our chat, private message me in the chat. Well, sorry, just private message me and say, hey, Shomari, can you put me in your chat? Or just put me in your chat. Or I'd like to go to your chat. Whatever you say, I'm going to put you in the chat. So just say it. And we got all the other girls there. And, but also it's a good resource. Like, forget about, I like girls, you know, whatever. But just, you know, just other girls to talk to about stuff. Yeah, IOTA, bang, you're strong. And so if you want to be in the chat, text me and I'll put you in it. Yeah, and that's good. So Crypto Eveline, bang, good stuff. Biniam, what are you talking about, Biniam? CB News, yes, Biniam, what? EGW Capital set up world's largest tokenized equity exchange. Oh, they're going to tokenize equities? So what? Tokenized stocks. Yay. Bang. All right, what do we got? All right, that's enough. That's everybody. Bang. All right, who's this guy? Sexy Tangle. We are at the dawn of a new industrial revolution, a big one. IOTA supporter, IOTA investor. Check the future of the social network. All right, love with the bang. And that's true. Wow. I don't know about industrial revolution. We're at a technological revolution that is helping industry. Let's put it that way. All right. And then Eco News, love with the bang. All right. Let's get back to the bang. Let's get back to the Death Star. All right. So we had a great show for you today. Fuck. These shows are just lasting a long time. Because I keep talking. Fuck. All right. I thought today's show, I was like, all right, man, I'm going to keep it under an hour. But I want you to make sure that you know the shit, right? It's our money, man. So I guess time shouldn't really matter. But anyways, R3 Corda is going to use an Ethereum-based, well, is going to start this XDC bridge interoperability for Ethereum. So, yeah, that gets into the public and private blockchains. So this is a hybrid system that they're going to do here. You know, and so like I've told you, like, Shomari, man, Ethereum sucks. Really? Well, why do people keep building on it? You know what sucks? Are the blockchains that aren't used. EOS, Ripple. Let's get real. Right? You can complain about, yeah, but Ripple has this many transactions. Yeah, but EOS has this many transactions. Yeah, but they're not being used. Not being used. No company is using that. No government is using that. No industry is using that. So it's just a fucking bunch of assholes on their laptops pulling their own peckers. Bah! Garbage. So, all right, let's move on from here, though. So R3 Corda is going to Ethereum. So Ethereum hodlers, bah! And then BlackRock starts to dabble in crypto. Well, when a motherfucker like BlackRock dabbles, when they're just dabbling, a dabbling for BlackRock is like a mega, you know, like when BlackRock dabbles, it's the same as, you know, Elon Musk. You know, Elon Musk put 1.5 billion into Bitcoin. Yeah, that's big for Elon Musk. Yeah, that's just dabbling for 1.5 billion. That's just dabbling for BlackRock. That's dabbling. You know, 1.5 billion, that's a coffee for BlackRock. You know what I'm saying? And so that's the beauty. Bang! We got the big money coming. Bang! And obviously they've dabbled. Well, you're not going to fucking stop now, are you? Not when you're making all that money, are you? So we have Fidelity. And so Fidelity and BlackRock, I mean, those are the two biggest monsters. Like I said, that's the Godzilla versus King Kong shit. Like the movie that's coming out right now. Yeah, well, we're watching that in the crypto space. Godzilla came, Fidelity, last week. We read the thing. Yeah, and BlackRock said, oh, yeah, I'm coming in too, fuck sticks. BlackRock's bigger and stronger. I don't like that. I don't like the Kong versus Godzilla thing because, to tell you the truth, it's not a fair fight. In honest truth, Godzilla would win. Godzilla has radioactive breath. Rah. Yeah, that'd kill Kong. That'd kill. Kong is just a big fat, just a supersized gorilla. Yeah, well, he'd get killed by radioactivity. I know. I'm not going to geek out on you, but seriously. Godzilla wins that fight. Unless Kong can grab the back of Godzilla, right, and snap his neck. Right, then Kong can win. But as long as Godzilla gets to blow the breath, the radioactive breath on you, you're dead, fucker. You're dead. That's radioactivity. Grow up. Okay. Let's get back to crypto, though. That made me a little angry because I saw the trailer for it, and Godzilla blows the breath at Kong, and then Kong blocks the breath with his hand. Yeah, you'd still be dead. That's radioactivity. Now you have radioactivity on your hand, you'd be dead. Just saying, man. It's just science. I'm just using science. All right. Let's move on. All right, and then finally, Goldman Sachs, Bitcoin investment vehicles, bang! Yeah, they didn't say they're going to just bring out some crypto, just one Bitcoin. They said investment vehicles, plural. Regulated investment vehicles, plural. Yeah, well, when Goldman Sachs rolls out a fucking blah, blah, blah swap or a blah, blah, blah options contract or a blah, blah, blah whatever, well, bang! Institutional investors can all get in on that. And they trust it. It's Goldman Sachs. It ain't Coinbase. It ain't BitMEX, Bittrex, Bitstamp, all this nonsense, crackhead shit. It's regulated. And, bang! That's what I love about Goldman Sachs. They said, yeah, we're not bringing out a investment vehicle. We're bringing out investment vehicles, plural. Bang! And that's going to bring us our money, boys. You are going to be rich. You're going to be fucking rich. Just settle down, accumulate. And you're going to be fucking rich. So, on that note, let's chill it and kill it. Bang! Let's get you back to your wives and lives. So, subscribe below, press the bell. You get an automatic notification when I do the show. The greatest show on earth. The greatest show. Bang! In the multiverse. Look, my name's Shomari Clarke. Love talking money. Bang! Love talking crypto. Bang! This is the favorite time of my day. So look, thank you for having me home, and I'll see you tomorrow with another fun, fact, crypto-filled day of cryptoness. Bang! So until then, subscribe here and press that bell so you get the automatic notification. It tells you when I upload some of the greatness. Look, watch that video there. It's the greatest in the multiverse. Next to this show. Bye! And then I'll see you guys tomorrow. So look, love you guys. Make this money. Invest wisely. It's our time. It's our time. Here come the big dogs. BlackRock. Bang. Goldman Sachs. Bang. Yes. It's our time now. So I'll keep you informed about it. My name is Shomari Clarke. And look, fucksticks. I am always on duty. And I am always watching our money. Yes. So on that note, bang. See you tomorrow. Over and out.